Hi everybody, how was my last tutorial part about how to combine two German nouns, for example, the day of the week with the time of the day, or even how to combine a German noun with a German adverb, like the day of the week with the daily adverb of frequency. And these are combined in the sense that two words become one word. Now in this last tutorial part, I am going to show you a dialogue which covers all the adverbs from the tutorials 24, 25 and 26. And before studying this tutorial part, please check out the tutorials 24, 25 and 26, of course, but also do check out tutorial 7 part 3 and tutorial 10 parts 3 and 4. Both tutorials are on the negation of German nouns and verbs, and my tutorial 14, which shows the introduction to the German grammar cases. So let's have a look at the dialogue. Moving on. So this is the dialogue which shows all the adverbs that I have covered with you till now. But there are some terms here, and let's have a look. These terms are coming in the dialogue also. Let's take the example that two friends are meeting and discussing what they're going to do on the weekend. So if someone is going to refuse the other friend, one excuse could be no time, which is keine Zeit. Vielleicht is used in the sense of maybe. And if one friend agrees to the suggestion of the other friend, then in German okay is used, pronounced just like the English okay, but you can also agree to someone by saying ja, klar, which is yes, definitely, or ja, sicher, which is yes, surely. If one friend likes the idea or suggestion of the other, then he or she can say gute Idee, which means good idea. Now the English transcript or translation of the dialogue I will include in my video's description. So I will be just playing the dialogue, and please have a look at the English version of the dialogue in the description of the video.
Hallo Aatikah, gehen wir am Samstag ins Einkaufszentrum, vielleicht am Nachmittag.
Hallo, Elena. Nein, samstags habe ich keine Zeit. Or Aatikah can say, nein, samstags habe ich nie Zeit.
Warum nicht?
Samstag vormittags habe ich immer einen Yogakurs. Ich habe oft Samstag nachmittags einen Arabischkurs. Vielleicht können wir am Sonntagnachmittag ins Einkaufszentrum gehen.
Gute Idee. Treffen wir uns dann übermorgen Nachmittag um 3 Uhr?
Ja, klar. Bis Sonntag. That was all for today. Any questions related to this entire tutorial, you can ask in the comment section. Please like my videos and continue watching the tutorials. Also, do not forget to subscribe to German tutorials for beginners and share my channel's name and link with your friends. Thank you.